This is the Underdash Parcel Tray Re-Trim kit for the Austin Healey BN4, BN6, BN7, BT7 and BJ7 models. It comprises of two main bits. You've got a carpet piece here, which is available in either nylon, Karvel or wool. And then you have a material bit at the back there, which is available in either vinyl or leather. This has been made in wool with vinyl. So the wool carpet obviously sits in the tray and it's edged all the way around. Some of the cars had a bottle in there, so you just simply cut a hole in where the hole matches in the tray area and the bottle goes in there. So that's just edged all the way around. It's got a rubber backing on the wool version. Then you have the material option here. So it's two bits of vinyl in this case, sewn together around this lip here. That basically creates, so that if you imagine this is the tray here and you pull it round and you trim it all the way back, you may wish to consider, to get a nice neat finish, trimming back some of this up until the point of the stitching line there to get a nice neat finish. Just so you know, if we did this in leather for you, we'd automatically thin this down on our in-house leather skiving machine, so you get a nice neat finish, which is something that a lot of other companies cannot manage.